Hey there guys, this is Mike. Hi, Mike from Pixel2HTML, and well, today I'm gonna show you a quick overview of how to do your very own mobile menu thingy. Let's just jump right into the demo. Okay, so this is the situation. We have our menu that opens up like this, and we have some links, first level link, and if we press this toggle, then it opens to even more links to a second level, and if we press it even one more time, we have a third level link, and if we press another one, then the one that's open will close. Same here. See, it's pretty cool. So yeah, that's what I'm going to show you right now how to do. Okay. So let's jump right into our exported HTML. But actually, I don't really use HTML. I use Jade for my files. So I think we're gonna look at that first. So we've made a repo with the source files for the code. It will be available at our GitHub Pixel2HTML account. It's here, Pixel2HTML mobile menu tutorial, in case any of you want to like clone it and have it working. Let me move the mic a bit. Okay, I hope you can still listen to me. Okay, so that's the whole idea of the menu. Let's explore the repo. Okay, so we have some folders right here. We have the source folder, we have the gulp folder with the task we're gonna use. So right now I'm using Node.js with gulp to be my task runner, so I can compile the stuff. So yeah, if you wanna try this, you can clone the repo and then run npm run first time. That will install everything you need, and then run npm run get ready to install like everything you need to actually get ready. Once you do that, you can just run gulp, and it will compile everything for you. And once that's done, you can go to localhost :1705. So yeah, that's stuff 1705 because that's today's date, 17th of May. Okay, so let me show you how I've structured the files for you. Okay, so the only thing we are having right now is we have our menu right here, and we have a header. So the header is no big deal. It's just your awesome header goes here. So it's this one. And other than that, everything else is happening at the menu. So let's check the markup. So I'm starting with a nav tag with an ID of main nav. We have the toggle, which has the word menu, and the burger. So that's this part here. And then we have the actual navigation, which is just an unordered list with some tags of first level or second level or third level, depending on how deep we are nested. So yeah, that's the thing, and just some li tags. And for our toggles, I have some spans that inside have an inline SVG. So if we look at the output, this looks like this. So we have our span class with the class more toggle, and inside we have an SVG with the class icon and with another class arrow, and then we're using the use tag, so we can actually use the SVG, which is somewhere around here. So this is all like inline SVG. If we look at the source code, we're using 3 SVGs that are right here. So yeah, if you want more info about it, check out the blog where I'm gonna link to some cool articles. So now let's check our Sass. So the thing that's going on, first I'm giving some styles to like put some nice colors. I'm making the burger toggles, top, middle, and bottom, so they can animate when clicked, because when the navigation is triggered, or when the toggle is triggered, so that the top will rotate and the bottom will rotate and the middle will become transparent. So yeah, that's cool. You can check that right there. So now for the actual logic that happens here on my I use CoffeeScript for my JavaScript because it's a little bit nicer. I added some comments so you can read what's going on. Okay, so basically I'm starting by assigning the main toggle to the toggle, so I'm just naming my variables. And when I click on it, I toggle the class that the toggle is triggered, that will make the animation of the X happen. And then if the navigation has the class is active, it will do the slide up. That's a method of jQuery that help us do this cool animation. And then it will also give the class. So that's this first part. And then I'm moving inside of the, now we're here on the first level. So here I'm giving the more toggle, which is any of the toggles with the arrows, any of this. So when any of those is clicked, I first assign a variable that equal to this. So it's just like a convention I use. And I grab the sibling second level, because right next to the more toggle is the second level usually. So then I can grab that, and also I'm grabbing all of the other seconds. So if the more toggle is active, then I will slide up the second level and slide everything else up, and if it's the contrary, the contrary will happen. And it's basically the same for the third level. But here on the third level, we're doing something interesting as well. So on the third level, we have the plus arrow, but we actually needed to change to a minus. So what we'll do is that using jQuery, I'm going to grab the hlink href attribute, which is this one. Well, which is this one, and then I'll replace the contents with either plus or minus, depending on the situation. So that's that. And since everything is already inline, it won't take any time to load because it's already there. So that's like no big deal. And yeah, that's about it. I hope the tutorial was good enough for you. And if you have any questions, you can hit the comments or whatever, or clone the repo. And yeah, for all of your front-end needs, there's us, Pixel2HTML. So don't forget to visit us. at pixel2html.com. Thank you for your time.